So guys, now I am building a website using AI only, but it's a like multi functionality in one website. First thing I will show one part today, my logo. Okay, you can see here uh, brand name is Daily Beats and it should be functional very soon. And here see every functionality I have on my website. It is showing food, grocery, video creation, ticket, flight ticket, business, promotions, home, search, like, cloud, settings, laptops, parcel delivery, achievements, help mark, star, coupon code, administration, shop, parcel. Yes.